What's going on YouTube? I'm sitting here in the Big Y parking lot, eating on my Big Y Italian sub. Now I just got done working. I went to Big Y. I was so hungry. Boom! Lightning! You see that? Listen for the thunder. There it goes, YouTube. I'm sitting here in the Big Y parking lot because eating this Italian sub because I got out working so late and I was so hungry while I was working. I was developing like a cold sweat. I was so hungry, so I'm eating on this big Italian sub at Big Y. This is the best deal for the money. And as I'm sitting here eating this thunderstorm, this awesome thunderstorm rolls in. Boom! Lightning! And the thunder. I love thunderstorms. So I'm gonna sit here and keep eating on my Italian sub. I'm gonna be rocking out to this thunderstorm. We're gonna have a rocking good time. Let's get one more flash of lightning for YouTube, can we? Can we get one more flash of lightning for YouTube? Hold on, let me take a bite of my sandwich. I bet it. Boom! Lightning! And YouTube, the rain is coming down. Anyways, I'm gonna ride out this thunderstorm while I eat my Italian sub from Big Y. I hope y'all have a good night.